tayo forever unlimited incentives. Kasi nag-register ka sa PESA, forever na sa'yo yan. Eh, kahit sa pag-ibig nga, wala forever. Sa incentives pa. Ano ba? Eh, 2 to 4 years, and that is not the, how do you call that, the new tiger of Asia.
If we do the right things.
Well, you have to do infrastructure, you have to do ease of doing business, you have to lower corporate income taxes. Saka hindi lang foreign investor, dapat pati domestic
Oo.
domestic corporates.
Dapat yun, nandun natin.
So, total this third quarter, bubuhos po yung budget kasi nga na-delay up to April, nakalabas ng May, so too late to affect second. So we will have a very strong third quarter.